cat, he's just chilling in the chair. Jingles the cat, he's got ginger hair. Jingles the cat, never gets fed. Leave the door open and he'll sleep on your bed. He's just Jingles the cat, professional loafer. Jingles the cat,
10 minutes.
sitting on the sofa. Jingles the cat, small furry face. Cost mom a fortune at the veterinary place.
It's brilliant!
In 10 minutes.
Have you in this?
Yeah. I was with him on half.
You should put it on like a night stage if you want to get a cult following.
The last verse is mine.
Jingles the cat, sick on the floor. Leave it open but he won't go out that door. Jingles the cat, he's been in a fight. Jingles should really switch to whiskers lite. Jingles the cat, professional loafer. Jingles the cat, sitting on the sofa. Jingles the cat, small furry face. Cost mom a fortune at the veterinary place. Jingles the cat. Don't call him fat. Don't call him fat.
Really good. That fits good.
Jingles the cat. Oh, who named him that? Jingles the cat. Who named him that? Jingles the cat. Weighs 6 bags of sugar. Any more than that, he'd be a fat little bugger. Jingles the cat, we love him so. Can't catch a mouse 'cause he's just too darn slow. He's just Jingles the cat, professional loafer. Jingles the cat, sitting on the sofa. Jingles the cat, small furry face. Best looking kitty in the whole kitty race.
How's my life?
Professional loafer, Jingles the cat. Professional loafer, Jingles the cat. Small furry face. Cost mom a fortune at the veterinary place.
Really, really good.